Yeah, dear students, in this video, I'm recording the how to prepare the chapter 4 of the documentation for the sensor processing or data processing or Smart India Hackathon projects. I'm considering the example as a A13 project, that is NetRank card. For that, use this template, means use this format for preparing the chapter 4. Simple. Network type classification, simple title of the project. Thereafter step 1, data set. Here I mentioned, I copied the all the column names of the data set. Copy pasted the column names of the data set. Let, let us show. I will show you again once again. Data signal matrix. Here copy. Control C, copy, select it, copy. So while copying it, it is showing like an image also sometimes. See here above one, just skip it. Like that I copied the all the column names. Step 1, data set is common for everything, but the column names will be changed project to project. Then step 2, data pre-processing also common. Step 3, EDA also common to everyone. Maybe step 4, like some projects I mentioned like smart data balancing. If they have smart data balancing, they need to add that particular step 4. Then existing decision tree. These are nothing but, again I am telling, simple 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, like that I clearly mentioned what are the existing algorithms, whether subtopics of your topic. Existing decision tree, DT. Don't write DT cart directly because it doesn't know. For example, if you write a PA cart, it may give incorrect answer. Write clearly decision tree hyphen cart, like that. DT cart, existing ridge cart. Here the proposed network name is a NetRank cart, which is a combination of, I know, MLP with cat boost, but it doesn't know what is NetRank. So I clearly mentioned what is the combination, MLP with cat boost. Then after performance, these steps also common to everyone because we need to compare the existing and proposed. That's why performance comparison. Prediction, we need to give the test data and we need to get the outcomes, that is prediction from test data. Thereafter integration with the Flask. So these two steps, step 7, 8 also common to everyone. Step 9, integration with Flask. It may change project to project. Most of the projects will have Flask only. Okay, let us to be particular. For example, CRM based fish growth systems, B2 batch B2, they have the particular TK inter, like that platform. If you still have any doubt whether your project is Flask or TK inter, you can text me in my personal window. So I will tell you whether it's a Flask or TK inter. Then classification output and regression output, like that clearly we need to here see. If you have your project is multiple classifiers, classification output 1, then after classification output 2. See here again mistake. Regression output means signal strength. Classification output is network type. In that it is 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G types. Sir, my project is having more than 5 classes. Then write at least 5 to 6 classes. Then regression output, signal strength, dBm. Then for above, give me the proposed system in one paragraph. This is mandatory. Then give me the processor of proposed methodology in stepwise paragraphs as per given steps, because you are clearly mentioned the steps. Then only it will give as per the given texts. So like this, yeah, definitely it will give the content like this only. Copy, just copy here, paste here. That's it. The proposed system same, that's it. Like that, chapter 4 should contain the entire stepwise paragraphs. Stepwise paragraphs. Like that. See what I am doing, neat format. Like that it should contain. Like this is the procedure for doing the 4.1. 4.1. For this we don't require the code. So again 4.2. In the 4.1 we need to add the image. For that I will do another video. 4.2 data pre-processing. Yeah, for this we definitely require a coding. Data pre-processing we can't done without the help of coding. So I will tell how to do with the help of the coding. So for all of you for all of you we will provide the codes. So check the code files like app.py, main.py, mlutils. For example, I am opening the app.py. Check that is there any pre-processing function. For example, load data. No. Home. Def means function. EDA also here it's not a create EDA plots, that is somewhere else. Check create EDA plots somewhere else. See here clearly in mlutils file it is a load and pre-process data. From the mlutils we are calling load and pre-process data. Yes, most of the projects will be consistent like this only. Go for the mlutils. So in the mlutils, see here load and pre-process. Most of the time we need to have this function. Okay, so copy this code, pre-processing function code. This is the accurate pre-processing function code as per our project. I am copying the code, then same I am giving to above, then simple. I copied the my prompt. I copied the code. See, check. I copied the code. Then after see method. It's a data pre-processing. What we need now? We need a data pre-processing application. Same. Even though it have knowledge, give again simple title. Don't give entire network type classification. So like that for a method, not like advantage. Operation in one paragraph. Method operation in one paragraph. Here it should be input should be application specific. Explain the operation of the method in detail step by step without coding. See, it is important. Without coding, we need to have operation, but which should be have without coding. Okay, simple. Enter. So method operation one paragraph, it should be a application specific. As already previous chart we gave the what are the readings and other things. So it will analyze same. See, copy it again, come back to our prompt. Sorry, come back to our document, paste it. Simple, that's it. Data pre-processing. Here, dealt this one, detailed explanation stepwise. Save copy of the data, standardize the data. You need to remember what are the pre-processing steps as per your project. Expect the target. So network type 2G, 3G, 4G like this. It will yes, it will give correctly only if you give correct code. Okay. So these are the procedure. After this, here also you need to add one figure. Simple. Yeah. Simple. For above, give me graphics code flowchart. See here. All of you giving the graphics code in top to bottom slide. That's not at all acceptable. For above, give me graphics code for flowchart with different iterations kind of connections like simple flowchart with few feedbacks. Means for the 4.2 we need to have flowchart also. 4.1 also we need to have, but that's not the procedure with the graph is. I will tell it later. See here again it is confused. It given the entire. For above again I am asking a question precisely. For above data pre-processing. See here it is given entire processor load data pre-process baseline. It is incorrect. That is for 4.1. Yes, it won't understand. See now it's given only for data pre-processing. Or else in simple words I will tell other things also. Copy it again, come back to the graphics same platform. See here it's not always, it's always top to bottom. It's always top to bottom. I said this one, but none of you are not using this one. What is this? Next. Yeah, I said this one, but none of you are not using. Splintless should be ortho and node separation. Copy this one. And background white. You should add in every code these lines. It won't give. Check the difference again. See. Splintless ortho. See how much neat it is came. Square lines. So like this, it should come the save copy, creating the data. Come back to our document. Check whether the same blocks are presented or not. Yes. Save copy of input data. Standardize signal strength. Remove irrelevant. Encode. Handling missing numerical values. Collect and return the metadata. And rationally for these choices. These are our steps. Drop artifacts, optional EDA, encode the encoder features, encode the network type, save the scalar encoders, impute missing numerical. Same. Like this you should create the data, or else in simple words again if you think really it's not as per your project, copy the step names, only copy the step names. Step 1, step 2, reverse engineering, step 3. This is one of the easiest or better way. Just copy the step names. Step 5, step 6, step 7, step 8. So to match the content and document graph, so simple, same. I am giving the step names. For above same data pre-processing, give me the graphics flowchart. See same steps, same. I'm adding this one. Which one? This splitness. So now check, it is a very good. See here, update the scaling rules, which are outside the box. I do which we require, which we doesn't require it. So means మనకు పేజ్కి బియాండ్గా వస్తున్నాయి, ఇమేజ్ను కరప్ట్ చేస్తున్నాయి అనుకుంటే అలాంటి వాటిని తీసేయండి. ఇక్కడ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ చేసే ప్రాసెస్లో ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ చేసే ప్రాసెస్లో ఇక్కడ అప్డేట్ అని వచ్చింది. రిమూవ్ ద ఫీడ్బ్యాక్. ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఎక్కడైతే ఉంటాయో ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ దగ్గర ఉండే ఇవి వచ్చాయి ఈ నేమ్స్. చూడండి ఇప్పుడు తీసేశాను. అడల్స్ మీకు డిఫరెన్స్ చూపిస్తా చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ కాపీ ఇమేజ్, same png, copy image, come back to the document, చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఈ ఫుల్ పైప్ లైన్ రివ్యూ ఇవన్నీ యాక్చువల్లీ వి డజంట్ రిక్వైర్. ఇక్కడ ఐ రిమూవింగ్ ద లేబుల్స్. అన్నిటికీ కాదు, ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఎక్కడైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటికి తీసేస్తున్నాను. చూడండి ఫుల్ పైప్ లైన్ వ్యూ. ఓకే, సేమ్ ఇది కరెక్ట్. ఇక్కడ కూడా చూడండి రిమూవ్ దిస్ స్టెప్ 1 అని ఫ్లో చార్ట్లో ఎక్కడ కూడా స్టెప్ అని రాకూడదు. ఫ్లో చార్ట్లో ఎక్కడ కూడా స్టెప్ అని రాకూడదు. ఇలా ప్రాపర్గా నీట్గా రావాలి. మ్యాండేటరీగా ఇది యాడ్ చేయండి. ఇది యాడ్ చేయకుండా మాత్రం ఐ వోంట్ యాక్సెప్ట్, బికాస్ చెక్ హియర్ ద లైన్స్ ఎంత నీట్గా వచ్చాయో. కాపీ ఇమేజ్, కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు ద డాక్యుమెంట్. సి మీరు ఇదే పెట్టారు, దీనికి దీనికి డిఫరెన్స్ చూడండి. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద అక్యురేట్ ఫ్లో చార్ట్. ఇప్పుడు దీనికి ఫిగర్ 4.2 అని పెట్టండి, ఎందుకంటే 4.1 వేరే వస్తుంది పైన. ఫిగర్ 4.1 సిస్టమ్ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్ వస్తుంది. దట్ ఐ విల్ టెల్ యూ హౌ టు డూ. ఫిగర్ 4.2 డాటా ప్రీ ప్రాసెసింగ్ ఫ్లో చార్ట్. దట్స్ ఇట్, data pre-processing flow chart. Here add one line. The data pre-processing method as shown in figure 4.2. That's it. It's a data pre-processing. The same for EDA also. 4.3 EDA. Same ML utils. Check the EDA means graphs and plots. This like axis, figure, subplot, wherever the code this is presented, create EDA plots. Like that you will get the function name. I'm copying the code again, same. Come back to the document, same. Here previous method, it's not method, data pre-processing. Method is EDA. That's it, only the change. No, I think it's not given as per parts. EDA plots. EDA plots for each graph one step. Like that, clearly write for each graph one step. Correlation matrix, now it's correct. For each graph, correlation matrix, graph feature distribution graph, iterations and use of visual findings. Okay, that's enough. Same, copy it, come back to the document. I'm giving an option for you. For EDA, no need to add the flowchart. No need to add the flowchart for the EDA. For the pre-processing it is mandatory. I am giving a option. No need to add the flowchart for the EDA. So that's it. Iterations and usual findings like that. That's it. No need to add the flowchart EDA. Then I think it's a 4.3. 4.3, yeah. Then 4.4 ML model building. Yeah, as per ML model building, here see same steps in initially decision tree card. So for the decision tree card, what I want to say was, in simple words, decision tree card, how many lines of code it is? Technically it's a only one, ridge classifier or ridge regressor. So any not only ridge, it's if it is a decision tree also, only one line. So for any algorithms, if we follow the coding, it won't give the internal procedure. It won't give the internal procedure. So here no need of coding. That's why I told you to do the without coding. Simple steps. Same, yeah. Same prompt again. So here same dt cart, or else clearly write again. Maybe it may be confused. Decision tree cart in bracket dt cart. Yeah, dt cart application same network type. Again here you need to add extra input xtrain, ytrain and xtest features. Yes, this is the correct. Here output again clearly write what is the classification output, what is the regression output as per this project. Yes, for each time you need to write classification output, what exactly the classification output, what exactly the regression output. Not only single output. If your project is only one thing, then clearly mention classification or regression. For above, so I'm trying new. I'm giving the this prompt method advantages as here it is not method advantage, method operation in one paragraph. Operation in one paragraph. I'm combining both. Like it will also give the graphics. But the content will be reduced in this situation. I'm saying this one. I'm also asking to give the graphics code, but the content will be reduced. See operation decision tree cart. Initialize cart structure. Evaluate the feature importance and splittings. I will check if I satisfy with the same. How can I say? If I satisfy with the graphics code, I will continue with the flow, or else I will modify. Ask it to modify the analysis. Copy the graphics code. Same. Top to bottom. See here clearly. Start xtrain, ytrain, xtest. Initialize cart. Actually it's a correct only, but I said I want outputs as a precise. So in that case I am asking again, give me graphics code for give me graphics code. If it is a classifier, or if your project is only classifier or only regressor, this is enough. This flowchart is enough. But if it is your project is cart or multiple classes, then only it will be somewhat difficult. Give me graphics code for flowchart. Here I am mentioning clearly. outputs should be, outputs means last boxes should be, so should be classified and regressor outputs. For don't give for above dt cart. Yes, or else still if you think that, just like I said, you use same step 1. Yes, you can use this one, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, step 7. So step 7 is missing. Okay, step 7. So here for about dt cart, output should be last box, input should be x train, x test, y train, y test. So not y test, features. And for classification and regression blocks, it is mandatory. I want classification separate branch and regression separate parallel branch. Parallel means side by side, serial means down, so separate parallel branch only. So let us check whether it is going to give the answer or not. Yes, again I am saying same, always it won't give the exact answer, it's always trial and error. Yeah, here it is given classification output and regression output, but doesn't give the like separate structures. Anyhow, class plus regression stored leaves performed a split, somehow it is also acceptable. Same, always use this, and keep on saying these 3 lines, then only it will give the neat diagram. And don't use this kind of circles. How can I say, see, shape oval is not, it's a box, always shape is a box. Rounded is somehow accepted, box is perfect. Start also it's a box, try to maintain it as a box, not oval. Then yeah, this one, remove the unwanted labels which are like this, reinitiate cart, analyze impurity errors. Here during the feedback iterations, remove the unwanted labels. See, check, now it's a very much accurate. Yeah, this is enough, means if you get the parallel branches it is also good, but I want like this classification output, regression output, this I want what I needed here. Yes, mandatory to remove the step numbers. Yeah, this is enough. Yeah, if you want to add the colors to this one, add for the starting inputs and outputs to differentiate, it will be very good. Now same, copy image, come back to the document where ML model building. Yes, I forgot it. Actually, here we should add one paragraph. I will tell you now. DT cart paste image. Yeah, I want this line should be, each step line should be 5 to 6 lines. 5 to 6 lines. I will tell you, I will show you now. Here 4 lines, that is enough. 4 lines, okay, like this 4 to 5 lines also enough, but 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines is not at all suggestible. Save, neat. Here again the distribution process as shown in figure 4.3. Okay, here, yes, I forgot to add the one paragraph. Yeah, before that, here same figure 4.3 DT cart flowchart. Like this. Yeah, what are you saying? Yeah, after getting the algorithm, yeah, I think you know which is the proposed algorithm, which is the existing algorithm. So clearly ask, give me 5 drawbacks in bullet points based 2 lines paragraph. So for the decision tree cart, it is going to give the drawbacks. The drawbacks you should add for the only existing only, not for proposed. I copied those drawbacks. I think you know which is the existing algorithm, which is the proposed algorithm. Drawbacks. So like this, drawbacks also we need to add. Okay, so these are the things here. Yes, I forgot. Yeah, what are our algorithms? Our algorithms are simple. Here, existing DT cart, existing ridge cart, proposed net rank cart. That I will ask in the one DT cart, existing ridge cart, proposed net rank cart. So ask is to give me one paragraph. That's it. Give the names. Give me one paragraph. As we are doing in the same. Give me one paragraph. Then yeah. The existing digit. Then the here I am pasting just one paragraph. Okay. So this is the procedure for 4.2. Any kind of single classifiers or single regressors. Yeah, for few batches I told proposed is a hybrid combination. For example, this batch also the proposed is a net rank cart, means it's a hybrid combination of MLP with the cat boost. So it's 4.4.1, 4.4.2 is the ridge, 4.4.2 is the ridge, 4.4.3 is the net rank cart. 4.4.3 is the net rank cart. So I'm making it as empty. Same here also, one paragraph, or if you want to add flowchart here also, it's also good. Simple. Proposed net rank card, copying it, give me one paragraph, and simple graph is code, one paragraph and simple graph is. If your proposal is a hybrid combination, then you should follow this one. If your proposal is a simple single algorithm, then no need of this one. Same. Net rank card, copy, graph is paste. Simple. Here TB. Sorry. Why? Yeah. Retune parameter. Okay, it's correct. Here, yeah. Don't use the oval shapes. Classification output, regression output. Where? Yeah. Don't use the oval shapes. Use box only. Yeah, that's it. Same. Again, I am saying use this orthogonal splitness, which is very much needed. Adjust embedding or retrain, which this word is not needed. Adjust embedding or retrain. That's it. Copy image. Yeah, save the graphics codes in text pads also, because yes, I may change some corrections. Same figure 4 point some number, whatever the number, figure 4.3, proposed net rank cart flowchart. Yeah, I'm not asking in detail stepwise paragraphs here, just simple the proposed net rank cart as shown in simple. That's it. In this again you need to add, this is important, 4.4.3.1, which is MLP. As per this, see here, I clearly told MLP feature extraction, everything is not a cart, it's a MLP feature extraction. See here in the diagram also clearly, embedding side means feature extractions, cat boost means outcome, MLP feature extraction. So same, right, MLP feature extraction, sorry, yeah, method is here, MLP feature extraction, clearly right. For above method is MLP feature extraction, application network type classification, application is network type is enough. Here see, for feature extraction output is not classification output or regression output, its output is a MLP features. This is important, again it's not classification or regression output. Same for above method, don't give me operation in one paragraph. Same, come back to this, sorry, not sorry, missed it, cancel, I gave the wrong prompt here. Yeah, for above MLP feature extraction, input is x train weight and this is correct. Output is features. See again, it gave the means excessive content. I will tell what is the excessive content. So here we need only feature extraction, no need of about integration with the cat boost everything. Or else last step. So else if you really think it's good, you can add. Same MLP feature extraction. I copy pasted here. Same MLP feature extraction. Whatever the procedure, operation same. Make it as a like this neatly. If you don't ask the this one graphics code with it, it will give the detail like paragraph number of lines is will give more. So that's actually good. Just now previous for existing we tried combinedly, it gave the poor response. Yeah, like this same simple. After this again for above give me graphics code. Again don't it may be confused. For above MLP feature extraction same give the steps. Same the process is same. Step 1 to step. Write as a save. Same convert as per accurate format. Then after final step, so the MLP features are finally applied to the cat boost. Same for above now operation is the cat boost cart. Cat boost cart. Here input it is important. Its input is not extrain y train x test features. Input is MLP features. Output is this one same. Which one? Classification and regression output. Same. Same, see here, cat boost initialize MLP features, choose the task object to train the cat boost is using order boosting, optimize, apply, train, same, same. Thereafter same. For above, give me graph is score. Simple. I'm copying just so copy back it. Yeah, I didn't for the time being I didn't add the diagram, but you must and should add the diagram also. All of your batches. So MLP feature extraction, then after 4.4.3 some number. For time being I am not checking the number, but give the proper numbering. So that's why I told initially you must and should have proper awareness on your project to complete the chapter 4 cat boost cart. That's it. Make it neat, clean. Guys, I'm telling finally you must and should use these 3 lines. Copy graph is code, paste top to bottom. Okay, see lines are not like this. See, these three are much needed. And convert the shapes to not oval, sorry, oval to normal, sorry, box. Yeah, again, this should be done by single person, not multiple persons. Chapter 4 should be done by single person, then only you will get the outcome. If you one person is doing 3.1, one person is doing 4.2, you won't get the accurate outcome. Chapter 4 should be done by the single person. Maybe if you have excessive burden, give the chapter 5 to the another person, chapter 6 7 to the another persons, like that give them. So this is the procedures. Rest of the finally add advantages also. Advantages of cart, this one proposed in 5 bullet points, in 5 bullet points, like this is the procedure. So add the advantages for the proposed also, because we are adding the drawbacks for the existing, that's why we need to add the advantages for the proposed also. So like this, complete your chapter 4 document. It's not completed yet, we need to add the other details also. After completing this, we what are the other things to be added, we will let you know.